Hey guys, Chad from Donnelly, Florida, Mount Vernon here. Now I know we've done a ton of Bronco videos, and a lot of them are on 4 doors. We've had customers asking how much room is there in the 2-door Bronco. So that's what I'm here to do today. As you can see, I'm sitting in the back of one of the 2 doors. Pretty spacious actually. We put this seat back, I probably have plenty of room. So also a cup holder here and there in case you have any beverages. Again, it's only a 2-seater, but the seats are pretty wide. They almost mimic the front. And getting out is not all that hard. Now coming in the back, obviously it's going to have a little less room in the back compared to the 4-door Bronco. But still plenty of room back here to throw in a couple suitcases, a cooler, a speaker. Also, you have a little bit of underfloor storage compartments. This could also be utilized as a cooler. Now, coming around to the front seat is going to be very similar to what you'd find in a 4-door. Nothing too different about the front 2 seats, just as spacious and roomy, with all the same features and amenities you'd find in a regular 4-door Bronco. Also, this one right here in the video is a 24 black diamond. I just think it looks cool. The black rims, the roof rails, the 2-door kind of mimicking the old classic Broncos from the 60s and 70s. So if you guys are looking for Broncos, stop and discover that difference.